Hey folks, welcome back here to the Vegas Don channel. We're here at one of the parking lots for Hoover Dam, which is directly in front of us. Go ahead and show you. There's the bridge for Interstate 11, and the dam is right there. Down there, I should say. And we're going to go ahead and drive back across it. Yeah, as soon as we can get out of this little spot that we're in here. There's no vehicles over here to our right, so we'll go ahead and get on out of here. Actually, what we're going to do is drive up real quick here. I want to show you. So, we had a viewer tell us that after they built Interstate 11, they cut this side of the road off, or this side of the roadway off for some reason. I'm not sure why, but probably because of security or something like that. They didn't want folks able to come in here and harm things from two directions. So instead they're only able to come in from the Nevada side. Falling rocks. Speed limit's still 15 in here. Love these mountain roads. That's just good, clean family fun right there. This guy's all over the lane. Parking lot 15 here on our left. Hoover Dam Lookout. Gifts and refreshments. Parking lot 16. And there it is. They shut it down. You're not allowed to go up there anymore. So they stick you in here, into this little parking lot, and make you turn around and go back. But there is Interstate 11 right there in front of us. I'll take a moment and show you. Right there. There's Interstate 11 carving a path deeper into Arizona. And then you have a little windsock over here. It looks like that might be used for, this little lot might be used for some sort of helipad to transport, perhaps, medical emergencies back to Vegas. At least that's my guess. No pedestrians. Yeah, there's a little helipad right there. No pedestrians beyond this point, and that's that little concrete pad there. I'm not sure why they cut this one off on the Arizona side. But you can only go left here now. There is the sign. Not allowing you to go any further into Arizona there. Okay, and then we've got porta potties there. I don't think I want to mess with porta potties. Slippery when wet. And now we descend into the little valley here where Hoover Dam is located. No public access there, it says on that fence. That little roadway heading up the side there. Kingman Wash Access Road, it says on the GPS here. So I guess we're heading, right now it says we're heading north. And then, let me see if I turn around here real quick, what kind of view we have out here. It's just going to be a little bit further up than where we started. Yeah, you can't really see a whole lot from up here, but the winds are whipping around like crazy. But you do have all of these different little parking lots up here on the Arizona side that are free. It's only the first one that appears to be a cost, and that's $10, which is the same as it is on the Nevada side. At least until some bureaucrat decides, oh, let's go ahead and charge more money. because that's usually the way those things work. And then, of course, that bureaucrat will get a bonus in his or her paycheck for having increased the price on everyone. Back here to parking lot 12, which is where this video started. We've got some really good winds coming through here. They're really buffeting the car about here. Temperature right now reads 117 degrees Fahrenheit. Otherwise, I'd get out there and walk, but it's a little too warm. Just a wee bit too warm for me. And then we've got a pedestrian crosswalk here for the folks that are traveling to and from the little parking lots over here. Parking lot 9. That is the one that charges $10 on the Arizona side. No pedestrians beyond this point on the left side of the roadway there, it says. Sorry about that. Hoover Dam tours. It's still 15 in here. And this is the beginning of the Hoover Dam, driving over the dam. There's a sign that says Arizona time right there. And not a lot in the way of pedestrian traffic out here right now. It's probably because of the temperature and time of day. But it is very busy out here in the mornings, without a doubt. You got a very popular spot for photos there. (1931 to 1935) they constructed this. Named after President Hoover, who oversaw construction, or at least was the brainchild for the idea. But he also oversaw the Great Depression in this country, and his approach was very laissez-faire. He did not believe in interfering in the market. He thought the market would correct itself. During the time of the Great Depression, he was wrong. And then FDR came along, ran for president in 1932 on the premise of let the good times roll again, because he wanted to abolish prohibition. You can see the bridge there right in front of us. He wanted to abolish prohibition and legalize alcohol again. Parking spaces here on the Nevada side. So Hoover was voted out of office, and FDR came along with the New Deal. Look at this bridge. It's just amazing. What a feat to build that in between two mountains. I wouldn't be able to. Now we climb out of the Hoover Dam Canyon here. Car still reads 117 degrees Fahrenheit. Still all these electrical structures out here. response force there on the right, it says. Have the Welcome to Nevada sign immediately here in front of us on the right. Right there. We're going to make this left here. This is the Bridge Scenic View. This is where you would go if you wanted to walk out onto the bridge and see Hoover Dam. So I want to show you guys that. That is a Jeep Grand Wagoneer. That thing is massive right there. Huge. Wow. Looks like a Suburban. And finally get the go here. Open dawn to dusk. Another cattle guard here. And just pull right in here. And as we do, we want to say thank you. We really appreciate each and every single one of you, and thank you for coming to cruise with us. We would not be here without you. Please like, follow, and subscribe to us on YouTube and TikTok if you haven't already. It helps the algorithm, helps recommend us to other viewers, so smash that like button, as the kids say. And also take a look at our shop section on YouTube. We have some awesome merch on our shop section. Vegas Don shirts, the Vegas Don logo on top of the Las Vegas skyline, the strip skyline there. And always remember that here on the Vegas Don channel, it's the journey. We'll see you next time, folks.